Why do 80% of businesses in Rincon choose Rincon Rocks Radio? Because they know the power of ultimate promotion. Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions is your ultimate partner for unbeatable marketing deals. Imagine this, for less than $5 a day, you get a quarter-page ad in our monthly digital and print books, featured on Amazon, plus a custom business video and daily social radio commercials. Sounds incredible, right? Need more? Upgrade to our half-page ad at $200 per month for a full 1-minute radio ad, a video that can be updated weekly, and half-page digital and print exposure. Talk about value, and if you want the full package, our full-page ad is less than $100 per week. That's personalized video, full-page print and digital ads, and live remote coverage with broadcasts every day of the week. Don't miss out on the chance to make your business shine. Contact Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions at 1-787-546-3252 or visit rinconrocksradio.com. Let's rock your business together.
Sure happy it's Thursday. We are live, Rincon Rocks Radio, and we are trading Nasdaq E-mini futures. We're doing a little something different this morning. We're already in live on the trade. A little early because I had been watching a downward trend work its way to an upward trend. So I got in early. It looks like the market's going to open about 9:30. So I'm in early so that I can catch that morning pop. Started off our account at $650. So we're looking to move that up to $1,000 live today. And what we need to do is I've got the first trade set in to make $150 profit. When that pops in there, then we'll go up step by step and bring that from 650, 750, 850, 950, and then all the way to $1,000. That's our objective this morning, and we'll be trading live, and I will see you on the other side of the commercial.
Your personal credit is destroyed, but your business credit could be perfect. Here's what most business owners don't realize. Your business credit runs on a completely separate system from your personal credit. While your personal credit uses your social security number, business credit builds on your employer identification number. That means you can have perfect business credit, even if your personal credit is terrible. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors specializes in building business credit fast. We set up everything you need: business phone, business address, and start building your credit immediately with our expert team guiding you every step. Right now, we're offering our $3,000 program for just $1,000, but only for the next 20 applicants. Don't let your personal credit mistakes hold your business back any longer. Call us at 208-417-5655 or visit elitecreditinvestmentadvisors.com to get started today.
And we're back. And just as I predicted earlier, we are in an upward trend with the green candlestick. You can see it moving upwards past $84, moving its way up to 90 now, 90. It'll be up around the $150 mark in just a minute. It'll go ahead and take that profit and jump out. Let's watch it very slowly. See the green candles trading up. The market's due to open in about a minute, and I expect it to make that $150 leap right there. Give us that credit, and then we'll get back in the trade again for an upward climb. So there it is. So we're at the $150 mark. That gives us a total of $800. We want to make another $200. Because we have $800 in the trading account, we can go up to 8. So I'm going to go up to 8 units to sell, and we're going to looks like 24,840 on the trade. So let's go ahead and get back in. Let it jump in there, and when it jumps in, we'll be ready to make one more $100. So it'll trend. It looks like the market's going to open now. Any second the market will open, you'll see a dramatic shift, either up or down. Could trade down, could trade up. Looks like the market did open up with a downward trend. We're going to give it a few seconds to trade. And we'll be right back after these messages from one of our sponsors.
My taxi driver just showed me a beach that's not on Google Maps. And that's when I realized Paradise Falls Taxi isn't just about getting from point A to point B. These drivers are your local insiders in Rincon, Puerto Rico. They know the hidden gems, the best photo spots, and exactly when to avoid tourist crowds. Available 24/7 with bilingual service, whether you need an airport pickup, a quick ride around town, or a tour of beaches you'll never find on your own. Check their app for pricing and book your ride. Because sometimes the best part of your trip isn't the destination,
it's who's driving you there.
Paradise Falls Taxi Service, your gateway to the real Puerto Rico.
Once again, we are trading the green candlesticks for a long trade up. We saw a little bit of a dramatic downward trend when the market opened at 9:30, but it's 1 minute in. We can see that the bullish trend is taking over, so the green candles will be trading up today. And we will be following this step by step as we move our account from $800 to $1,000 this morning. And we move up our units or our contracts as we make profit. With that, let's hear a little bit about RCR World Travel.
Everyone said I was crazy to book Egypt, but when I stepped off that plane in Cairo, I knew they were wrong. 4 incredible destinations in one trip. The pyramids of Giza left me speechless. Luxor's ancient temples told stories thousands of years old. Then came the Nile cruise. Watching feluccas sail past while I dined on deck was pure magic. And Hurghada? Crystal clear Red Sea waters perfect for diving and relaxation. RCR Global handled everything. Flights, transfers, English-speaking guides, meals, starting at $51.95 per person, with flexible dates available. But here's the thing, seating is limited. Don't let everyone else talk you out of the adventure of a lifetime. Call 833-477-7477 today.
Once again, here we are live trading the Micro E-mini futures. You can see the green candles trading up. And as soon as it crosses that blue line, that'll be in the profit. We'll watch it cross the blue line, then it'll continue to go up to the green line. When it hits the green line, that'll be $108 in profit. So we will keep our eye on the ball here for a few minutes, watch it trade up. And then we will be moving from $800 to $900 in profit. Then we'll move our units up to 9. You need basically to move each contract or unit, you need $100 in your trading account per unit you're trading. So we see the profit coming in, that green line's crossing the blue. And then if you can see it, it's a little tough to see. I know it's a little blurry, but as soon as that green candle crosses, you'll see those there. They just switched over from red numbers to green. All right, the red numbers were negative, the green numbers are profit. Then as it trades up, it's just got a small amount. It's moving from 830 to 840 on the unit size. When it moves from 830 to 840 on the unit size, that's $100 profit for us. Every 10 units of trade, we're trading 1 unit. So we are making profit per click as it travels up. So there's 12, 16 profit moving up. We'll pop back in after Connect PR, a little word from a church congregation that we're very familiar with in Aguada.
Welcome to Connect PR.
Bienvenidos a Connect PR,
a bilingual church in the heart of Aguada, Puerto Rico.
Una iglesia bilingüe en el corazón de Aguada, Puerto Rico,
where faith is alive and worship is modern.
Donde la fe está viva y la adoración es moderna.
And everyone is welcome.
Y todos son bienvenidos.
At Connect PR, we believe church should feel like home.
En Connect PR creemos que la iglesia debe sentirse como hogar.
A place to connect with God and with people.
Un lugar para conectarte con Dios y con las personas.
And grow in purpose and community.
Y crecer en propósito y comunidad.
Led by Pastor Diane Johnson Seaton.
Guiados por la pastora Diane Johnson Seaton.
And Pastor Camila Raza.
Y la pastora Camille Rosa.
We're building a life-giving church with passionate worship.
Estamos construyendo una iglesia llena de vida con adoración apasionada.
Relevant teaching and real relationships.
Enseñanza relevante y relaciones auténticas.
No matter where you're from or what language you speak.
No importa de dónde vengas ni el idioma que hables.
There's a place for you here.
Aquí hay un lugar para ti.
Come as you are.
Ven tal como eres.
This is Connect PR.
Esto es Connect PR.
Where faith, life, and community connect.
donde la fe, la vida y la comunidad se conectan.
All right, so I am back. Let me get on my chart right over here one more time. All right, so now we have actually, it's gone ahead and made our $100 profit as I predicted earlier. You'll remember that I said it would go up to $900. We're at $914.72. We're going to go ahead and get back in with 9 units, and we're going to trade up to $1,000, which was our goal for the morning. So I'm going to set the purchase price in here at $24,960. $24,960. I'm going to get in the purchase. There we are. All right, it's trading upwards. Let me go ahead and pull this. You can see this down a little bit. There we go. Let's go ahead and pull this down to there. That'll be fine. Since we're trading 9 units, it won't take long to make this money. It's traveling upwards now for the purchase. I'm going to go ahead and get out at 243 on the position, which gives us a total of $1,207. So in these few minutes, we've been live for 11 minutes. Our profit ratio has been $557 to the good. All right. So having said that, we're going to play a little bit from Mike the Credit Guy, and we'll be right back.
This is exactly how I escaped the paycheck to paycheck life by the age of 25. If you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or even 50s and you're broke, you're not alone. But staying broke, that's a choice. By the end of this video, you're going to know a 9-step blueprint to go from financially stuck to financially unstoppable, even if you're working a minimum wage job or drowning in debt. This is the exact same system used by self-made millionaires who started with nothing but a bad credit score and a cracked iPhone. And it's exactly what I would do if I lost everything today and had to start over at 21. This video is one of the most important wake-up calls for Americans right now because we're living in the age of inflation, $5 gas, and 5-figure student loan bills, but the tools to escape, they're more available than ever. This is going to be a 9-step process, and you do not want to skip a single one because it can throw the entire process off. So let's jump in. Step number 1, we need to audit your reality because you can't escape something you won't look at. We need to go old school with this. Open your bank app, get a notepad, write down your income, your expenses, and your debts. Then circle the things you're emotionally avoiding. That $897 credit card bill that you've been ignoring. I understand this hurts, but it's necessary because you can't fix what you're blind to. Now, step number 2, we want to eliminate financial parasites. A lot of you are not gonna like what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna say it. Netflix, DoorDash, Amazon Prime, random gym memberships you haven't used since February. Kill them. Kill them all. Because every single dollar you spend out of habit is a dollar that keeps you broke. Most 20-somethings are bleeding $300 to $500 a month on absolutely nothing. Simply put, cut everything ruthlessly. You can always resubscribe later. Now moving to step number 3, master one high income skill. If you're working 40 hours a week and still can't breathe financially, you don't need more hours. You need more valuable hours. Good example, copywriting, digital ads, video editing, sales, or coding. Pick one and commit 6 months to it like your life depends on it, because it does. Step number 4, open a high yield savings account. It's one of the easiest and best things you'll ever do. Put your emergency fund in a place that actually earns you something. Online banks like Marcus, Ally, or SoFi offer way better rates than your local banks. You're not investing just yet. This is your sleep well fund. Let's just be honest. Banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Chase Bank are giving you absolutely nothing to hold your money in their bank. It's time to make smart moves with your money. Now moving on to step number 5, get a side hustle that scales. Uber's fine, but at the end of the day, it's a dead end. Instead, you could do things like flip items on eBay, create digital products, run a content page, start affiliate marketing, something that can grow even when you sleep. Because remember, trading time for money forever equals modern day slavery. Step number 6, Automate 3 key habits. This is crucial. It's what I call the set it and forget it. Number 1, auto transfer $100 a month to savings. Put it away and don't even look at it. It's like it doesn't exist. Number 2, auto pay your credit cards to pay off in full every single month. We don't pay these banks any interest fees. If you don't have the money to pay it, don't use a credit card. It's that simple. And number 3, my favorite, auto invest $20 a week into an index fund, even small amounts.
And we're back. We've got Miss Emma live from the call center. Miss Emma, talk to us about Thursday.
Hello, good morning, everybody. Yeah, we're happy. It's Thursday, and we are actually working very well on the training, especially on the crypto trade training. So yes, and we still have available slot. So, and yesterday we have a good trade. So in just 30 minutes, we're able to get 164 profit in just 30 minutes. So it's a good, time to trade, especially the market is good.
Then today, I was just telling them just a minute ago, today I opened up a few minutes earlier than the bell, and I traded from we started with $650 in our account. We traded up to 1,207. So we've made a total of $557 in the market so far today. And we did that by anticipating that morning pop. And that morning pop is my favorite thing. If you'll notice, we got in right here, right when the morning pop happened, right at the bottom of this red candle. We got in, we traded up, 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 up. The final up, we got out right here. We have not traded as it trends across because we're looking for that next wave, if you would. And right now it could break out and go down, it could break out and go up. It's anybody's guess. We don't want to guess, so we're just not in the game. But we have taken the account up to 557 for profit. Likely as not, if we were trading a real account, we would say $557.04 is fine. That's enough for the day. We wouldn't even get back in. But to illustrate a point this morning, since we have over $1,000, we're going to trade 10 units. We're going to look for the most opportune time to get in, and we're going to let those 10 units trade up in the long. So we're going to get back in a few minutes when it shows us an up indicator, because we are pretty confident that it's going to go from where it's at in this little slight downward trend. It's going to go back up to here, but we're going to wait until we see the technical and the fundamental analysis that tells us that's definitely going to happen before we go on up. With that, we're going to talk just a little bit about the Elite Credit and Investment Advisors Program. Once again, the 3 pillars of wealth are very simple. You need to take a deep dive into your personal credit. Even if it's perfect, you need the AI Dispute Fees credit machine that we have an affiliate with to monitor your credit constantly and make sure nothing negative gets on there. With that in mind, the next thing we do is we build business credit. And we've got a brand new video this morning from our affiliate. We are affiliated with Credit Suite, which is the ultimate in business credit building. And we have a special this week for the rest of the week. And next week, starting Monday, this is a $3,000 program we're doing for $1,000. They do personally walk you hand in hand through the process of building your business on your EIN. I'll let the announcers talk to you about that now.
Your personal credit is destroyed, but your business credit could be perfect. Here's what most business owners don't realize. Your business credit runs on a completely separate system from your personal credit. While your personal credit uses your social security number, business credit builds on your employer identification number. That means you can have perfect business credit, even if your personal credit is terrible. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors specializes in building business credit fast. We set up everything you need: business phone, business address, and start building your credit immediately with our expert team guiding you every step. Right now, we're offering our $3,000 program for just $1,000, but only for the next 20 applicants. Don't let your personal credit mistakes hold your business back any longer. Call us at 208-417-5655 or visit elitecreditinvestmentadvisors.com to get started today.
And we're back. And that's the second pillar of wealth, is build a small business, an online business to start, if you would, or a brick and mortar. If you're already in business and you already know how important business credit is, it's a good idea to let us walk you step by step through making all the business credit you can be available for. You should have a minimum of $250,000 to $500,000 of business credit. We can help you walk through that with our Credit Suite affiliate. The third and final step for the credit of wealth is, like we're doing this morning, familiarity with the stock market, what causes things to go up and down. And what we're doing today is we're waiting for that upward trend. You see the green candle just starting right in there? That's what we're waiting for. So if we get just a little better indicator that that green candle wants to trade up, what we've seen is a small gradual decline here. I can believe that it wants to go back up now because it bounces off its lower low. This is about the middle of this climb up from the pop. We started at the morning pop. We traded this up. We made money, $500. So then it starts a little slight downward trend. That was the people that are hesitant to get in the market, the naysayers, the institutional traders, that sort of thing. So we are going to get back into trading now because we see the trading indicator going in is moving back up. So we got in, and we have our take profit is set right up here at $21.95. We're going to bring this down to $500. So we made our first money this morning. We traded the pop and we made $500 profit, $556 as a matter of fact. Now we're back in the trade and we're going to make another $500. Our goal is always to make a minimum of 100, and we like to jump out at about 1,000 a day, get to routine. So that's what's happening as we watch today live. We're up to $150, 65, 185. Vacillating back and forth a little bit as it climbs up there on its way to the $500 profit mark. So as it trades there, we're going to hear a little bit from one of our sponsors with Paradise Falls Taxi.
My taxi driver just showed me a beach that's not on Google Maps. And that's when I realized Paradise Falls Taxi isn't just about getting from point A to point B. These drivers are your local insiders in Rincon, Puerto Rico. They know the hidden gems, the best photo spots, and exactly when to avoid tourist crowds. Available 24/7 with bilingual service, whether you need an airport pickup, a quick ride around town, or a tour of beaches you'll never find on your own. Check their app for pricing and book your ride. Because sometimes the best part of your trip isn't the destination,
It's who's driving you there.
Paradise Falls Taxi Service, your gateway to the real Puerto Rico.
And we're back. We're going to go ahead and take the trade off the chart here at a little over $100, maybe close to $2, just to reinvest once again. So that's 115. So we're going to get back in here in a few minutes. And then I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly what we're doing to get in to do the purchasing of the trade. So with that in mind, we're going to play a little bit more about our history, how we're able to assist you in the educational process of the Micro E-mini futures on the stock market, and more.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 Pillars of Wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with TradingView, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live wealthy now. #3 Pillars of Wealth. #Elite Advisors. #Rincon Rocks Radio.
And I'll let Miss Emma tell you a little bit about the packages that we're offering in the week that's coming up. We got today, we got Friday, and then we'll be back Monday again. Once again, we do take the weekends off, be with our friends and family. Hopefully you do too. Get that stress off of your shoulders and that sort of thing. Unwind and then come back and hit it hard. We are back Sunday at 7 p.m. live. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 7 p.m., 9:30 a.m. Monday through Friday. Miss Emma, you have the floor.
All right, thank you so much, sir. Okay, so if you are again, I am inviting everyone to contact us any time of the day if you wanna get your training on the crypto trade, and we have actually different packages that you can enroll, and we give you discounts. We have free consultation and the credit mastery program. We have free 1 day one-on-one mentorship on the crypto trade. So take this opportunity with us to learn, and we're gonna do our best to walk through with you on the training. Cameron, we're gonna walk through with you the training with one-on-one mentorship, with customer support by our call center here in the Philippines. Plus, if you want to trade by your own, we can handle that for you. So don't take this chance. Contact us anytime. We have different packages again on the website, www.elitecreditandinvestmentadvisor.com. Go to our contact button, put your information there, and then we can reach you back and send you some special discounts, or call me directly 877-587-4540. Oh, please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel, share our Facebook page for more information. All right, thank you.
Absolutely. All right, let me explain briefly what we're doing here. Since we have a profit, $676 we've made so far today. So we have $1,326, $1,326 in our account. We are going to log in with 12 units. That means we had to have a minimum of $1,200 in the account, which we do. So we're going to buy in. This gives us the opportunity to buy in 12 units. And we are in the trade now, and we only need to move upwards to make $200. We only need to move upwards just a little over 5 or 6 ticks of movement. If you'll notice, it's very, very little movement. You can see that once that green line, once the green candle crosses the blue line and starts into the profit, it's already into the profit now for $96, $102. It's on its way to the 228 for profit, 108, 132 in real time. I'm reading the numbers off in real time. It's a little larger on my side. And in just a few seconds, it's going to cross over and hit the $200 profit margin. When it does that, then we'll get back in the trade again and trade it. It's not so much scalping as it is short-term investment. And by that, I mean less than 1 minute in the trade. We're at 150, 216. There you go. So in less than 1 minute, we made another $200. This puts our profit at $910 for the day. Now, you heard me say earlier that we want to do $1,000 in the day. We're going to go ahead and extrapolate on that just a little bit. I'm going to pull a chart out where you can see it. Now that we have more money to invest, we're going to go in for 15 units. We're going to buy in at 24,800. Let's see, 24,850. No, we need to go a little higher than that, 880. 24,880. We can buy in for that. Let's wait till it starts to go green again. It'll change from that downward red candle to green, and when it does, we'll buy in, and we'll ride that wave of positive energy up to 24,880, where it will once again give us the profit we're looking for. We're looking for $90 to put us from 910 to 1,000. We're going to call it a day. So I'm going to go ahead and get in there now, about midway through the red candle transition, and let it trade up. All we need is $90. I've got the take profit set at 112. When it reaches across the blue line, which it will inevitably in a few seconds, it's going up, crossing the blue line in the next few seconds to profit. Then from the profit into the $112 mark, we'll call it a day. So we're going to give it just a few seconds. I'm going to show that in real time. It's crossing up. This is real-time stock market data. This is what the stock market's doing right now today. There's your green into the green profit coming up. Watch closely as those numbers turn from red to green inside that rectangle. That's your take profit rectangle. Give it just a few more seconds here. And then it'll cross over into the profit, and we'll call it a day. We're going to go ahead and hear from a few more sponsors, why it takes a little bit of a minute there, and we'll be right back.
You need to hear this if you're curious about trading stocks or crypto but worry about losing money. Let's talk risk-free learning. Welcome to Elite Credit and Investment Program, where you can learn to trade stocks and cryptocurrencies in a completely simulated environment. No risk, all reward. Imagine gaining the skills to navigate volatile markets confidently, all while using TradingView, absolutely free with any package bundle. That's right, a professional-grade trading platform at your fingertips with zero financial risk. Our simulated trading experience lets you practice real-time strategies, test your knowledge, and grow your confidence, all before you ever put your money on the line. It's the perfect way to learn and master the markets. Ready to start your journey? Call 1-939-739-4045 to schedule a free Zoom class, or visit elitecreditandinvestmentadvisors.com to fill out our contact form. Don't wait. Take control of your financial future today with risk-free trading powered by TradingView. Elite Credit and Investment Program. Your path to mastering the markets starts here.
Ever wondered what paradise sounds like? Rincon's best-kept secret is on the airwaves. Rincon Rocks Radio delivers classic rock from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, but we're so much more than music. Join Dr. Cam behind the scenes and Anita Casanova broadcasting live from Rincon's most interesting locations, including the Thursday Art Walk downtown. We know what's happening in paradise because we are paradise. Birthdays, anniversaries, special requests, we play your hits while keeping you connected to authentic island life. Log on at rinconrocksradio.com or call 787-546-3252. Find us broadcasting live from every business in Rincon. This is your soundtrack to paradise.
Well, we've been in the trade for a little more than 30 minutes on live today, so I want to go ahead and have Miss Emma close us out for today. We did see a profit of $910.45 before we closed out, and our goal is always a minimum of $100, and we like to trade up to $1,000 if possible. The sky's the limit. You can make any amount that you choose to, starting with the smallest account and moving your way up. Always, again, let me just reiterate that you are in control of your own financial destiny. You would be trading your own account. You'd be learning how to trade for yourself, by yourself, on your own. If that interests you at all, let us know. Miss Emma, take it away.
Okay, well, thank you, sir. It's been a nice trade today. So what are you waiting for? To our viewers out there, allow yourself to experience the real trading, the crypto trade, and it's actually alive and kicking. The market is alive and kicking, especially this morning. So again, call us anytime so that you will able to learn on how to do the crypto trade training, and then we can help you fix your credit score and set up your business credit. So call me anytime, and we're here to assist you. God bless everyone.
Ever wondered what paradise sounds like? Rincon's best-kept secret is on the airwaves. Rincon Rocks Radio delivers classic rock from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, but we're so much more than music. Join Dr. Cam behind the scenes and Anita Casanova broadcasting live from Rincon's most interesting locations, including the Thursday Art Walk downtown. We know what's happening in Paradise because we are Paradise. Birthdays, anniversaries, special requests, we play your hits while keeping you connected to authentic island life. Log on at rinconrocksradio.com or call 787-546-3252. Find us broadcasting live from every business in Rincon. This is your soundtrack to Paradise.